Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah.
No matter what your dreams are, be it your child's education, your dream business, your dream home, or a comfortable retirement, the Pru Wealth Plan from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana makes it possible. With the Pru Wealth Plan from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, you can plan confidently for the future you want. All you need to do is pay affordable monthly premiums and receive a guaranteed lump sum at maturity, whether in 5, 8, 10, 12, or 15 years, starting from 100,000 Ghana cedis to as high as you desire. When your plan matures, you enjoy 5 more years of free insurance cover. And if life takes an unexpected turn, your family receives over 200% of the sum assured, ensuring they stay protected. They receive 100% immediately, 10% annually as support, and another 100% at maturity. The Pru Wealth Plan covers your spouse or partner too. With over 175 years experience, 26 million customers, and 24,000 employees worldwide, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana offers true peace of mind wherever life takes you. Whatever your goal, education, business, home, or retirement, the Pru Wealth Plan is your answer. Plan today, secure tomorrow. Contact us now to get a Pru Wealth Plan today.
Did you watch it? The carbohydrate opulence, the foundational edifice of energy. Carbohydrates practically intersperse with protein. This is what I call proteinaceous dynamics. Explicitly sapid, unputadamably palatable. Na me the chop, na you the swallow.
Did you watch it? Fuel your cravings. Did you watch it? Epicurean magnificence.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Every morning, millions of Ghanaians wake up to build, to trade, to create, to hustle, to survive. What if everything pauses tomorrow? One fire, one flood, one robbery. You have worked too hard, you have sacrificed too much to lose it all overnight. Now there is a better way that your business never halts. Introducing Business Protection Insurance from Coronation Insurance Ghana. Designed for Ghanaian entrepreneurs, protecting what matters most. Pay through MTN Momo. Get covered in minutes. Simple, affordable, accessible. Because every hustle deserves protection. Chale, you will secure your hustle. Business Protection Insurance from Coronation Insurance.
across Africa, they come with dreams. At Academic City, they find purpose.
I am from Nigeria. Studying computer science here has opened my mind to the world of innovation.
As a parent, seeing my daughter thrive at ACT gives me peace of mind.
ACT didn't just teach me skills, it gave me the confidence to lead change.
A world-class faculty, hands-on learning, a campus that inspires bold thinking. Join a community building Africa's future today. Academic City University, educating future-ready leaders.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them. True. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Charity school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. May talk you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Show me your pain. Help you make the most of your money. Needs send fire to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US, UK, and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
Still teaching with a whiteboard in 2026? Imagine bringing science, maths, and technology to life with just one touch. With the Lumvax Interactive Smart Display, learning becomes visual, encouraging, and unforgettable. From classroom to business, Lumvax delivers powerful display solutions for every environment. Trusted technology designed to inform, educate, and inspire. Lumvax, the smart way to display, teach, and communicate.
You're welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2026 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Competing in this contest are Fafraha Community Senior High School, St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School, and Aburi Girls Senior High School. Let's welcome our competing schools. Fafraha Community Senior High School is represented by
David
and
Brew Mary.
David and Mary, tell us, how has the journey been in this year's competition for you?
The journey has been good, and it has been God always.
I wish you the best. St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School is represented by
Atmolga Alfonso Samigana
and
Techitio Franklin.
Alphonsus and Theo Franklin. Kindly tell us about your journey in this year's competition.
So it has been an interesting journey, and we hope with the Lord will become victorious.
I wish you the best. Aburi Girls Senior High School is coming into the contest as a seeded school. Aburi Girls Senior High School is represented by
Esiedwa Nanajwa Adakwa
and
Mildred Abina Mankwa.
Mildred and Nanajwa, what are you looking forward to in today's contest?
We are looking forward to giving it our best shots.
I wish you the best. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service and supported by GOIL PLC, Joy News, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent, Cowbell, Truster AI, Jupe Money Transfer, Lumivax, GTP, Spin City Laundromat, Didi Jollof, Bell Beverages, Accra College of Medicine, Coronation Insurance Ghana, Academic City University, and YFM. I am Dr. Gladys Odeshringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. Contestants, you are welcome again. In this contest, we have 5 rounds. Each round has its rules. Apart from the 3rd round, in all the other rounds, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 for those not involving calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. Should you be asked to repeat an answer, you only repeat. A change nullifies everything for you. In round 1, each school is going to get a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, another school may then ring the bell to answer correctly for a bonus point, but they would lose a point when they get it wrong. So we'll be starting the first round with Fafraha Senior Community. Round 1. There's a preamble to this first set, and it reads, for the given complex iron, give the oxidation state of the metal and the coordination number. For the given complex iron, give the oxidation state of the metal and the coordination number. So, the first one, So this first one is Cu into bracket NH3. 4 after the bracket, then all of this 2 plus. Yeah, Mary.
The oxidation state is +2 and the coordination number is 4.
Correct. St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School. Yours is Fe into bracket Cn 6 after the bracket, then all that 3 minus.
The oxidation state is +3 and the coordination number is 6.
Correct. Aburi girls. Cr into bracket H2O 4 after the bracket Cl2 all plus.
Coordination number is 5.
So the coordination number is 6 and the oxidation state is +1.
I'll give you 2 out of 3 because you got one of the answers correct. The oxidation state is +3. So preamble to all schools. Find the EMF. This is a preamble. Find the EMF of a battery whose terminal voltage is 12 volts when it supplies current I1 and is 15 volts when it supplies current I2, given that. Preamble again. Find the EMF of a battery whose terminal voltage is 12 volts when it supplies current I1 and is 15 volts when it supplies current I2, given that. Fafraha. I1 is 3.0 milliamperes and I2 is 2.0 milliamperes. You've been bailed out, anyone? Okay, St. Joseph. I1 is 5.0 milliampere and I2 is 4.5 milliampere. Go ahead, Alphonsus.
It is 8 point.
It is
8 point. 8.9 by 10 to the power negative 3 votes.
Incorrect. Anyone for a bonus? Aburi girls, I1 is 6.4 ampere and I2 is 5.8 amperes.
So we have 44 votes.
Correct. So for Fafraha community, your answer should have been 21 votes, St. Joseph 42 votes. Preamble to all schools. Find the terms U3, U4, U5 of the sequence defined by the given recurrence relation. Find the terms U subscript 3, U subscript 4, U subscript 5 of the sequence defined by the given recurrence relation. Fafraha. U subscript n plus 2 equals U subscript n plus 1 plus U subscript n, with U subscript 1 equals negative 2, U subscript 2 is 3. Go ahead, Mary.
U subscript 3 is equal to negative 13. Is equal to negative 7. And U subscript 4 is equal to 13. And U subscript 5 is equal to 25.
Incorrect. St. Joseph.
U subscript 3 is equal to 1. U subscript 4 is equal to 4. U subscript 5 is equal to 5.
Correct. St. Joseph. U subscript n plus 2 equals U subscript n plus 1 minus U subscript n, with U1 equals 2, U2 equals 3. Go ahead, Theo Franklin.
U subscript 3 is equal to 1. U subscript 4 is equal to negative 2. And U subscript 5 is equal to negative 3.
Correct. Every girl. U subscript n plus 2 equals U subscript n plus 1 plus 2 U n, U subscript n, plus 2 U subscript n, with U1 equals 3, U2 equals 1.
So U subscript 3 is equal to 7, U subscript 4 is equal to 9, and U subscript 5 is equal to 23.
Correct. For this set, when I get to you, give me your answer. Mention one of the main steps in cellular respiration in humans. Mention one of the main steps in cellular respiration in humans. Fafraha. Glycolysis. Sorry, that cancels it. Fafraha, give me yours.
So we have the Krebs cycle.
Correct. St. Joseph.
The electron transport chain.
Correct. Aburi girls.
Aerobic respiration.
No. So the last one is pyruvate oxidation. This set is for 30 seconds. And there's a preamble that reads, identify the missing nuclide X in the given nuclear equation. Identify the missing nuclide X in the given nuclear equation. Fafraha, uranium-235 plus a neutron results in barium-141 plus 3 neutrons plus X. It's for 30 seconds.
Okay. Have a nuclide with atomic number 37 and with mass number 192, and the nuclide is called krypton 192.
Incorrect. Yes, St. Joseph.
So we have a nuclide with mass number 90 and atomic number 36, and it is krypton.
Incorrect. St. Joseph. Plutonium-239 plus a neutron, resulting in tellurium-134 plus 3 neutrons plus X. Theo Franklin.
So the nuclide has mass number of 72 and atomic number of 42, and
incorrect. Aburi girls, uranium-235 plus a neutron, resulting in strontium-90 plus 2 neutrons plus X.
A nuclide with atomic number 60 and mass number 144, that is neodymium-144.
What?
Neodymium 144.
Incorrect.
Have a nuclide.
Fafraha.
Have a nuclide with atomic number 52, mass number 144, and the nuclide is tellurium 144.
Incorrect. So, Fafraha, your answer should have been krypton 92. You were just to give me, you were to identify the missing nuclide. So, Fafraha, krypton 92, St. Joseph, molybdenum 103, Abrigel, xenon 144. Preamble to all schools. A ball of radius r and mass m rolls from rest without slipping down a plane inclined at 60 degrees to the horizontal. A ball of radius r and mass m rolls from rest without slipping down a plane inclined at 60 degrees to the horizontal. For the given values of r and m, find the linear speed of the sphere at the bottom of the plane if its initial height above the bottom is h. Take g equals 10 meters per second squared. For the given values of r and m, find the linear speed of the sphere at the bottom of the plane if its initial height above the bottom is h. Take g equals 10 meters per second squared. Fafraha, r is 0.02 meter, m is 0.2 kilogram, and h is 28 meters.
$20 meters per second.
Correct. St. Joseph, r is 0.02 meter, m is 0.2 kilogram, and h is 63 meters. Theo Franklin.
55 meters per second squared.
Incorrect. Fafraha.
30 meters per second.
Correct. Abrigels, r is 0.04 meter, m is 0.1 kilogram, and h is 1.12 meter.
$45 meters. Yes, okay.
Incorrect. It is 4 meters per second. Preamble to all schools. Find the matrix for the given linear transformation in the Cartesian plane. Find the matrix for the given linear transformation in the Cartesian plane. Fafraha, a reflection in the line y equals x.
A 2 by 2 matrix, reading row by row, 1, 0, and the other row is 0, 1.
Incorrect. St. Joseph.
The matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix. Reading row by row. 0, 1, 1, 0.
Correct. St. Joseph. A reflection in the x-axis. Go ahead, Theo Franklin.
So the matrix is 1, 0, 0, negative 1.
Correct. Aburi girls. A reflection in the origin.
So we have 1, 0, 0, 1.
Incorrect. St. Joseph.
It is negative 1, 0, 0, negative 1.
Correct. Last set for this round. Preamble to all schools. Name the outer protective covering of the given mammalian organ. Name the outer protective covering of the given mammalian organ. Fafraha, brain.
No. Meninges.
Correct. St. Joseph, heart.
Pericardium.
Correct. Aburi girls, lung.
Pleural membrane.
Correct, the pleural. And that's the end of the first round. At the end of round one, Aburi Girls Senior High School had 11 points, Fafraha Community Senior High School had 12 points, and St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School had 17 points. Contestants, we are in the second round where we have the Trusted AI speed race. In this round, each question comes to all three schools. You may take turns in answering. If you are the first to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you don't get it, and then the second school can ring the bell to answer correctly for 2 points. When they also don't get it, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. You can ring the bell at any time in this round. But as soon as you are called on to give your answer, you have 3 seconds to start giving your answer. Starting with, and we have, and when you work this one out, this bell will go out on you. When you hear this bell, it means that your answer has been considered wrongly given, because after the 3 seconds, during the 3 seconds, you did not start giving your answer. The speed race is sponsored by Trusted AI, your real-world experience. So we'll start with the speed race. I wish all schools the best. Are we satisfied? Good. Let's start. This set is for 30 seconds. Calculate the volume of carbon dioxide at STP produced on the complete combustion of 5.80 kilograms of butane. Molar volume is, yes, Fafraha?
2.24 dm cube.
Incorrect. Molar volume is, yes, St. Joseph.
2.24 by 10 raised to an exponent of by 10 exponent 3 dm cube.
Incorrect.
Yes, I changed it. And
Molar volume is 22.4 decimeters cubed. Aburi girls.
So we have 8.96 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 2 dm cube.
No. So it's 8.96 cubic meters, or 8,960 decimeters cubed. 25.0 centimeters cubed of sodium carbonate solution required 20.0 centimeters cubed of 0.100 mole per decimeter cubed hydrochloric acid for complete neutralization. Calculate the concentration of the sodium carbonate. Yes, Fafraha.
0.04 mole per dm cube.
Incorrect. Who rang? Aburi girls.
0.0400 mole per dm cube.
Incorrect. In grams per decimeter cubed. It is 4.24 grams per decimeter cubed. How many sigma and how many pi bonds are present in one molecule of propine? Yes, St. Joseph.
so there are 1 pi bond and 8 sigma bonds.
Incorrect. Six sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. Find the flight time of a projectile launched on level ground at 64 meters per second and 60.0 degrees above the horizontal. Fafraha.
6.4 seconds.
Incorrect. Who ranked second? St. Joseph.
So we have 9.6 seconds.
Incorrect. You didn't ring, right? 11 seconds. In a photoelectric effect experiment conducted in vacuum with a suitable monochromatic light source, what primary factor determines the photoelectric current? Aburi girls.
The intensity of the incident photons.
No. Okay, so we have incident photon flux, light intensity, or light power. Determine the period of an oscillating spring mass system with mass 0.5 kilogram and spring constant 2 newtons per meter. Aburi girls.
3 seconds.
Correct. Find the values of A, B, and C if A multiplying the expression x minus, let me start again. Find the values of A, B, and C if A multiplying the square of the expression x minus 3 plus B multiplying the expression x minus 3 plus C equals 2x squared minus 5x minus 12. Fafraha.
A is equal to 12. B is equal to negative 5 over 4. And C is equal to negative 13 over 4.
Incorrect. St. Joseph.
A is equal to 2. B is equal to 7. And C is equal to positive 9.
Incorrect. C is equal to negative 9. All the others were right. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equals x squared minus x plus 5, and which is parallel to the line x plus 3y equals 10. X plus 2y equals 23. Solve the equation 2 cos x plus root 3 equals 0 for x in the interval pi over 2 less than x less than pi. Fafraha.
X is equal to pi over 6, or x is equal to 5 pi over 6.
Incorrect. St. Joseph.
So x is equal to 5 pi over 6 radians.
That is correct. Last set. The purplish red pigment rhodopsin contained in rod's type of photoreceptor cell is a derivative of which vitamin? Yes, St. Joseph.
Vitamin A.
Correct. Wounds in plants are healed by the activity of which meristem? St. Joseph.
The lateral meristem.
Incorrect. It is secondary meristem. Which minerals are involved in the water splitting reaction photolysis during photosynthesis? Manganese and chlorine. That's the end of the speed race.
your quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Ufilia. Huh? Ubefi. Goil. Good energy. Ja, ya, ya.
No matter what.
Protests. The first one from Aburi girls, when they gave me, for the answer they gave me, intensity of incident photon, I accepted. So they get it. Then St. Joseph. St. Joseph is telling me wounds in plants are healed by the activity of which meristem? They gave me lateral meristem. And they are telling me lateral meristems are also referred to as secondary meristems. No. So we have primary meristem that gives rise to the various parts of the plant. After the cells have specialized, they can become meristematic again. And then they are secondary meristems. The lateral meristem, example of a secondary meristem. But the answer is secondary meristem because it may not occur at a lateral position. Thank you. Clarification. Whenever there is a bud, there is a primary meristem, which is an apical meristem. And the bud will be in the axil of a leaf, and that one would grow into another leaf, a flower, or even a branch of the stem. So please, let's not confuse, don't confuse yourselves, okay? Thank you. So at the end of the first round, Fafraha Community Senior, second. Then I haven't received the scores. Fafraha Community Senior High School had 7 points. Aburi Girls Senior High School had 15 points. And St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School had 17 points. So we continue with the third round. In this round, we'll solve the problem of the day. A common problem that all schools will solve. You have 4 minutes to solve the problem of the day. You'll be solving the problem of the day on the interactive screen. In this round, we have the Prudential Life Insurance NSMQ star, which will be awarded to any school that is able to score 10 out of 10 for the problem of the day. So it tells you the problem of the day is worth 10 points. If you score 10 out of 10, you earn 2,400 cedis for your team. 600 cedis will go, each will go to the 3 contestants and a teacher. The NSMQ star is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. Contestants, kindly stand and go to the page on which you'll be working. Good. You may now pick up your sheets. Then we'll read the problem of the day together. The following figure shows a circuit made up of resistors labeled with their resistances and other components. Circuit nodes are labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. The potential of node E is 34 volts exactly. So the figure is there. And so A, identify the objects represented by the symbols, the 3 dashes and 2 dashes. Identify nodes of the same potential. Calculate the exact potential of each node. Determine the exact current in the 8 ohm resistor. So we have the circuit along DC, there is a 6 ohm. Then C is connected to B. Then B going to A is an 8 ohm resistor. C going to A is a 5 ohm resistor. From A to G, to A attaches to, A goes to G, G goes to F, From F, we have the 3 dashes there. And then we move from F to E. In between there, we have the 2 dashes. Then E to D, we have the 4 ohm resistor. So this is our problem of the day. We have 4 minutes to solve, starting now. Okay, so our contestants have put their solutions on the board. Okay. So this problem is a physics problem. It's a physics problem, and this is the suggested solution from our consultant. The symbol 3 dashes represents ground. That is 0 or reference potential. Then the symbol 2 dashes, that's the voltage source, which is either a battery or a cell. For this one, Fafraha gave me earthing and battery, and St. Joseph gave me a cell. Aburi girls gave me a dry cell. I'll take it as a cell. So if you get these two, you get 2 points. Then since the B, you are to identify nodes of the same potential. So nodes A, F, and G are the same potential, which is the ground, and nodes B and C are the same potential. If you are able to give me any of these sets, you get 1. If you are able to give the 2, then you get 2. These two, Fafraha didn't give me any. St. Joseph also didn't give me. St. Joseph gave me B and C. Yeah, it's not same. You have C and B. St. Joseph gave me B and C. Fafraha gave me C and B. So 1-1 there. And then Aburi girls didn't give me any. So we have. Then we continue for the C part. No school answered. So this is the solution. The equivalent resistance between E and A is the sum of the resistances between E and C. That's resistors in series, added to the resistance between C and A, resistors in parallel. So R equals 4 ohms plus 6 ohms plus the fraction with numerator 8 ohms by 5 ohms and denominator 8 ohms plus 5 ohms equals 170 over 13 ohms. Then, so the current out of E is I equals VEG over R equals 34 volts over 170 over 13 ohms, which will give you 2.6 amperes. Then VED equals IRED, which will give you 2.6 amperes plus 6 ohms by 6 ohms to give you 10.4 volts. VED equals IRDC equals 2.6 amperes by 6 ohms, which will give you 15.6 volts. And so VCA equals IRCA, which will give you, so voltage at CA equals 2.6 amperes by the fraction with numerator 8 ohms by 5 ohms over 8 ohms plus 5 ohms, which will give you 8 volts. If you get this two, you get 2 points. So in view of which VA equals 0 equals VF equals VG, you work out VD equals VDC plus VC equals 15.6 volt plus 8 volts, which is the VCA, which will be equal to 23.6 volts. Then VE equals VED plus VD, which is 10.4 volts, which we calculated earlier, plus 23.6 volts, which we've just calculated, and that will give you 34 volts. So which is consistent with the given data. So then the current in the, so the D part, the current in the 8 ohm resistor is the voltage across it divided by its resistance, VBA over RBA, which is 8 volts over 8 ohms, giving you 1 ampere. Again, no one got the D part correct. So no one answered the C part. There were attempts at the A, B, and D. So for the problem of the day, Aburi girls gets 1 point. St. Joseph's gets 2 points. Yeah. Okay, Fafraha also got 1 point, and St. Joseph's gets 2 points. So 1, 2, 1. Okay, so before we continue, Fafraha Community Senior High School would like to make a change. So David Jojo is coming in for Mary Brew to go out. So thank you for being with us, Mary. You are welcome, David. All the best to you, Mary, in all that you do. We continue. Okay, contestants, we are in the 4th round. In this round, we have the Jupe true or false round. But before we start the 4th round, let's hear the score. We have the scores for the third round already. Good. So Fafraha got 1, Aburi Girls got 1, St. Joseph's got 2. So in this round, each school is going to get a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, 2 points for you. When you are incorrect, you lose a point. If you don't answer, the bell will go out on you, and another school may pick it up to answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are incorrect. In this round, we have the Jupe money transfer. Jupe money transfer is taking the excitement a step further. So for the first time, Jupe true or false round comes with a clean sheet prize. If you get all your answers correctly, or you get all correct, if you answer correctly, you get everything right, you get a clean sheet, and so Jupe will reward you with 700 cedis at this stage. Jupe is also giving alumni a chance to support their alma mater. So you send money to Ghana through Jupe by using your school's promo code, and Jupe will donate $20 to your school. Schools and alumni can visit the NSMQ social media pages to find their promo codes. The Jupe True or False round is proudly sponsored by Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. Contestants, I'll be starting with Fafraha Community Senior High School, and I wish all schools the best. Round 4. This first set comes with a preamble, and please note that we have 10 seconds unless otherwise stated. This set comes with a preamble that reads, reactions A and B have exactly the same activation energy. Reactions A and B have exactly the same activation energy. Fafraha, if A is exothermic and B is endothermic, then the products of A lie at a lower energy than its reactants.
True.
Correct. St. Joseph, if a catalyst is added to A, the enthalpy change of A becomes less negative.
True.
Incorrect. Aburi Girls, adding a catalyst to reaction A would lower its activation energy below that of B.
True.
Correct. Contestants, keep your eyes on me, okay? Preamble to all schools. An object is suspended on a spring scale in a moving elevator. An object is suspended on a spring scale in a moving elevator. Fafraha, the scale reading is 0 if the elevator moves up at constant speed. David.
True.
Incorrect. St. Joseph, the scale reading is 0 if the elevator moves up with an acceleration equal in magnitude to the local acceleration due to gravity. Alphonsus, go ahead.
True.
Incorrect. Aburi Girls, the scale reading is 0 if the elevator moves up with an acceleration greater in magnitude than the local acceleration due to gravity.
False.
Correct. If the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 200 degrees, then it is a square. Fafraha. Go ahead, David.
False.
Incorrect. St. Joseph. If a triangle has sides of length 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 13 centimeters, then it is a kite.
True, false, is right. No, it's false. A triangle cannot have sides like this. And then, so false.
Alphonsus, go ahead.
True.
Correct. Aburi girls. If a triangle has 2 obtuse angles, then it is a trapezium.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The given phenomenon illustrates Jean Lamarck's theory of evolution. The given phenomenon illustrates Jean Lamarck's theory of evolution. Fafraha. Bacteria evolving resistance due to random mutations.
True.
Incorrect. St. Joseph. Birds with varied beak sizes surviving in different environments.
False.
Correct. Aburi girls. Peppered moths changing color due to pollution.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. A buffer solution is prepared from a weak acid A and its salt B. A buffer solution is prepared from a weak acid A and its salt B. Fafraha. If more salt B is added to the solution, the pH of the buffer rises. Go ahead, David.
False.
Incorrect. St. Joseph. If the buffer is diluted tenfold with pure water, its pH falls by 1 unit.
True statement. True.
Incorrect. Aburi girls. If the ratio of the concentration of B over the concentration of A is equal to 1, then the pH of the buffer equals the pKa of A.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. A stretched 1 meter wire clamped at its ends is plugged symmetrically at exactly its center, thereby causing it to execute multi-mode oscillations. A stretched 1 meter wire clamped at its ends is plugged symmetrically at exactly its center, thereby causing it to execute multi-mode oscillations. Fafraha. There is at least one mode of wavelength less than 1 meter. Go ahead, David.
True.
Correct. St. Joseph. There is exactly one mode of wavelength greater than 1 meter. Go ahead.
False.
Incorrect. Aburi girls. There is no mode of wavelength exactly 1 meter.
True.
Correct. Fafraha. The expression x squared minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 8. This set is for 30 seconds. Go ahead, David.
True.
Incorrect. Saint Joseph. The expression x squared plus 2 is a factor of x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x plus 4. Go ahead, Theo Franklin.
So it is a
What did you say?
True. I was trying to say true statement.
No, you were wrong out. So, Aburi girls, give me your answer.
True.
That is correct. Aburi girls, please concentrate on me. The expression x squared minus 1 is a factor of x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 3.
True.
Correct. Last set for this round, preamble to all schools. Helminthic diseases can be transmitted through Fafraha, contaminated food. Go ahead, David.
True.
Correct. Saint Joseph, touching an infected person.
false.
Correct. Aburi girls, contaminated soil.
True.
Correct. And that's the end of the fourth The statement I passed on to Aburi girls that they were answering. Okay, based on their protest, Aburi girls, I'm not passing it on to you, so you are not getting the 2 points you got. But St. Joseph, when the bell had gone out, but I insist you answered. So the bell, you gave an answer, it is there, then you stopped. And then I asked, you finished there. I asked, what did you say? And you said, true. And I said, no, that's not what you had said. Then you said you were going to say it is a true statement. You changed your answer. So that nullifies everything for you. You lose a point for that. So at the end of the fourth round, Fafraha Community Senior High School had 9 points. St. Joseph Seminary Senior High School had 20 points. And the Aburi Girls Senior High School had 32 points. Contestants, this is the fifth and final round. We are ending the contest. And in this round, I'll give 4 riddles to be solved. Each riddle comes to all schools. I'll be helping you out with clues. If you're able to solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points for you. Fourth clue, 4 points for you. Second clue, 4 points for you. From the third to the last, 3 points for you. In this round, we have the Goal Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a school that is able to solve either 3 out of the 4 riddles correctly with 1,200 cedis, or a school that is able to solve all 4 of the riddles correctly would earn 1,600 Ghana cedis. Any of these amounts will go to the team. The Goal Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goil Good Energy. So we start with the fourth round. Please ring your bell as soon as you are ready with your solution. I'm a product of atmospheric chemistry. I fall from the sky, yet I was never meant to be there. I form when sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Yes, Fafraha.
Acid rain.
That is correct. Second riddle. I'm a process step in device fabrication. I may involve diffusion of atoms. I may result in reversal of majority carrier type. I convert intrinsic. Yes, Aburi girl.
Doping.
Doping is correct. I am a trigonometric identity. I'm Pythagorean in origin. I am obtained from the identity cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. I am of the form b squared equals a squared plus 1. My underlying ratios are sec and tan. Who am I? Yes, that will be St. Joseph.
So we have 1 plus tan squared x equals sec squared x.
Incorrect. Aburi girls.
1 plus tan squared theta is equal to sec squared theta.
Correct. Last riddle. I'm a specialized reproductive structure. I'm found in certain plants, particularly in gymnosperms and some ferns. I consist of sporangia-bearing structures. Yes, St. Joseph.
So you are
Let them answer. Give me your answer. I'm what?
Stolon.
I'm not stoma. I consist of sporangia-bearing structures densely aggregated along a stem. I'm characterized by a central axis, surrounded by spirally arranged structures that may be modified leaves or modified stems. In gymnosperms, I am differentiated into distinct male and female cones. The male cones are called pollen cones, whilst female cones are known as ovulate or seed cones. Who am I? Yes, Aburi girls.
Gametophyte.
Incorrect. I am strobilus, strobili for plural. That's the end of the contest. Contest, and I thank you all for joining us in the contest or for the contest. Do make it a point to join us for the next contest, which promises to be exciting. So at the end of this contest, these are the scores. Fafraha Community Senior High School had 12 points. St. Joseph Seminary and Senior High School had 20 points. And Aburi Girls Senior High School ended with 38 points. Congratulations to you, Aburi Girls Senior High School, for winning the contest. You've also qualified for the quarterfinal stage. I wish you the best as you progress in the competition. Your score may not be the highest for the day, but the school that scored the highest for the day is winning the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service and supported by GOIL PLC, Joy News, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Pepsodent, Cowbell, Truster AI, Jupe Money Transfer, Lumivax, GTP, Spin City Laundromat, Didi Jollof, Bell Beverages, Accra College of Medicine, Coronation Insurance Ghana, Academic City, and YFM. My name is Dr. Gladys Odeshringa. I'm your quiz mistress, and this is a Primetime production. Bye for now.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
No matter what your dreams are, be it your child's education, your dream business, your dream home, or a comfortable retirement, the Pru Wealth Plan from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana makes it possible. With the Pru Wealth Plan from Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, you can plan confidently for the future you want. All you need to do is pay affordable monthly premiums and receive a guaranteed lump sum at maturity, whether in 5, 8, 10, 12, or 15 years, starting from 100,000 Ghana cedis to as high as you desire. When your plan matures, you enjoy 5 more years of free insurance cover. And if life takes an unexpected turn, your family receives over 200% of the sum assured, ensuring they stay protected. They receive 100% immediately, 10% annually as support, and another 100% at maturity. The Pru Wealth Plan covers your spouse or partner too. With over 175 years experience, 26 million customers, and 24,000 employees worldwide, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana offers true peace of mind wherever life takes you. Whatever your goal, education, business, home, or retirement, the Pru Wealth Plan is your answer. Plan today, secure tomorrow. Contact us now to get a Pru Wealth Plan today.
Did you watch it? The carbohydrate opulence, the foundational edifice of energy. Carbohydrates plastically interspersed with protein. This is what I call proteinaceous dynamo. Explicitly sapid, unputadonably palatable. Na me the chop, na you the swallow.
Did you watch it? Fuel your cravings. Did you watch it? Epicurean magnificence.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Every morning, millions of Ghanaians wake up to build, to trade, to create, to hustle, to survive. What if everything pauses tomorrow? One fire, one flood, one robbery. You have worked too hard, you have sacrificed too much to lose it all overnight. Now there is a better way that your business never halts. Introducing Business Protection Insurance from Coronation Insurance Ghana, designed for Ghanaian entrepreneurs, protecting what matters most. Pay through MTN Momo. Get covered in minutes. Simple, affordable, accessible. Because every hustle deserves protection. Chale, you for secure your hustle. Business protection insurance from Coronation Insurance.
From across Africa, they come with dreams. At Academic City, they find purpose.
I am from Nigeria. Studying computer science here has opened my mind to the world of innovation.
As a parent, seeing my daughter thrive at ACT gives me peace of mind.
ACT didn't just teach me skills, it gave me the confidence to lead change.
A world-class faculty, hands-on learning, a campus that inspires bold thinking. Join a community building Africa's future today. Academic City University, educating future-ready leaders.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them. True. You're right. With the same
Hey! Charity school is brilliant. Hey! My son will attend the school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you is here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Draw me to pay. Help you make the most of your money. Needs, send fire to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US, UK, and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
Still teaching with a whiteboard in 2026? Imagine bringing science, maths, and technology to life with just one touch. With the Lumvax interactive smart display, learning becomes visual, encouraging, and unforgettable. From classroom to business, Lumvax delivers powerful display solutions for every environment. Trusted technology designed to inform, educate, and inspire. Lumvax, the smart way to display, teach, and communicate.